If you're looking for a powerful tool to supercharge nonprofit fundraising efforts, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to use Outgrow to enhance your nonprofit fundraising strategy. No experience required. Outgrow is an interactive content platform, and it's a game changer for nonprofits looking to engage supporters, build meaningful relationships, and drive donations. The first thing you need to know is that Outgrow allows you to create personalized experiences, and that's huge for nonprofit fundraising. Whether you're creating quizzes, calculators, assessments, or surveys, Outgrow's interactive tools make the process engaging for your audience, and ultimately, that helps convert visitors into donors. These personalized experiences are perfect for encouraging people to take action, like donating or signing up for your cause. Now, you might be thinking, how does this actually work? Let's break it down. To get started, you can use Outgrow's pre-built templates or create a custom experience from scratch. It's easy to use and doesn't require any coding knowledge, which is ideal for busy nonprofit teams who may not have the time or expertise for complex tech setups. For instance, a quiz about the causes your nonprofit supports can lead people to specific donation options based on their responses. Or you could create an interactive donation calculator that shows potential donors how their contributions can make a tangible impact. This level of engagement builds trust, and we all know that's crucial for nonprofit fundraising. Outgrow's analytics are also a huge benefit. It tracks user behavior and interaction, giving you data on what's resonating with your audience. You'll know exactly what content is driving the most engagement, which can help optimize your fundraising efforts. If a specific question or quiz result is generating high interest, you can adjust your campaign to double down on those topics and encourage more donations. The best part? You can get started with Outgrow for absolutely free using the link in the description below. And that's not all. If you sign up through this link, you'll receive exclusive bonuses that will help you get the most out of your nonprofit fundraising efforts. One thing to remember is that Outgrow allows you to integrate with a variety of other platforms, like your CRM or email marketing tools, which means you can continue nurturing your leads after they've interacted with your fundraising content. You can set up automated follow-ups, send personalized messages, or invite them to upcoming events. This integration keeps your communication seamless, ensuring that you don't lose track of potential donors. Now, here's an important tip. When you create your fundraising campaigns, be sure to make the content shareable. Outgrow's platform makes it easy for users to share their results or experiences on social media, which can significantly expand your reach. Word of mouth is still one of the best ways to spread the word about your nonprofit, and Outgrow helps make that process easier. By the way, you can use Outgrow's interactive tools for more than just fundraising. Think of the potential for building awareness, increasing engagement, and even growing your volunteer base. It's a versatile tool that can truly elevate your nonprofit's outreach efforts. Before I wrap up, let me remind you, if you're looking to use Outgrow for nonprofit fundraising, I've got an exclusive deal for you. You can access Outgrow's full features completely free for a limited time with our special extended trial. Don't miss this opportunity to take your fundraising strategy to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating interactive, engaging content that's designed to convert. Use the link in the description below to claim your free trial, and thank me later when you see the results.